In this video, we are going to know why does niacinamide work so well for some people while it does nothing for others, and also how to layer niacinamide in your skincare routine to get the best of it.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to review this Cetaphil Bright Healthy Radiance Toner. Me and my sister have used this toner for over past 5 months now, specifically for our post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or PIH, or what is most commonly referred as acne marks or acne spots.
So, acne marks can be divided into two broad categories known as PIE or PIH. PIE occurs mostly to people with lighter skin tone and is mostly red or pink in color, while PIH occurs mostly to people with darker skin tone and appears to be dark or brown in color.
And in order to know how well this product performs on acne marks, we did not use any other product along with this that helps with reducing the acne marks.
The active ingredient in this toner is niacinamide. This product also contains some hydrating ingredients like glycerin and xylitol, but I did not find this product hydrating, especially for my skin, which is severely dehydrated. Studies have shown that niacinamide in skincare helps reducing the acne marks. It strengthens the skin barrier and also helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles by increasing the production of ceramide in our skin. The ingredients in skincare products are always mentioned in decreasing order. So the ingredient with the highest concentration is always mentioned at the top, and the ingredient with lowest concentration is mentioned at the bottom.
Niacinamide is usually present in skincare products between the concentration of 2 to 4%, but since this product does not specifically mention the concentration of niacinamide, we cannot be sure about this. This toner looks and feels exactly like water and sinks very quickly into the skin. When it comes to layering skincare, a lot of people only mention to layer skincare from the thinnest to thickest consistency, but that's not about it.
The first thing you should apply on your skin after cleansing are the pH dependent actives. Certain skincare ingredients work best on a specific pH. If not on a specific pH, the efficacy of these ingredients can also reduce. These ingredients are called pH dependent actives. In case you are using active ingredients in your skincare routine for the first time, then you can also use the buffering method to reduce the redness or irritation in case any. Also, certain actives like alpha hydroxy acids and retinols should not be used during the day. After this, you can use your non pH dependent actives like niacinamide or hyaluronic acid based products. So, your order of application can look something like this.
Cleanser, then your pH dependent actives, and then you'll have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes so that your pH dependent active completely absorbs into your skin, and then your non pH dependent actives like niacinamide or hyaluronic acid, and then your toner, essence, serum, and moisturizer or sunscreen if you are using it during the daytime. And as I already mentioned, in order to know how well this product performs on its own, I was not using any other products that help with acne marks along with this. For my morning routine, the first thing I would use is the Cleanse Me Gentle Skin Cleanser, followed up by the Paula's Choice BHA, which is a holy grail for me. It works really well for my hormonal acne, and I would finish up with Cetaphil Liposomal Sun Kids lotion for my face, and for my neck I would use this high protection sun care gel because it tends to sting on my eyes, so I'm finishing up using this on my neck. And another sunscreen that I have been really loving recently is the Bioderma Cicabio sunscreen. This works very well to reduce redness and as well as protects very well from sun rays. Then for my nighttime routine, I will use the Kottakkal Nalpamaradi Tailam. This one and Also the Aurea Vaidya Pharmacy Nalpamaladi Tailam, these two work really well in order to remove your sunscreen or makeup. Followed up by the Bioderma Sensibio Cleansing Gel. This is one of the most gentle yet very effective cleansers I have found till this date. After cleansing, I will use the Cetaphil Bright Healthy Radiance Toner. For my lips, I would either use the Chap Cure Lanolin Cream or the Baksan Sunny Lip Balm.
And then finish up with the Nika Soft Oatmeal Moisturizer. This contains oat extract which helps in reducing the redness, and also this is very affordable and works well for my oily and acne prone skin.
Coming to the effectiveness of this product worked very well for my sister's acne marks that were PIE or post-inflammatory erythema. But if you are someone like me who gets more brown or dark acne marks and suffers from post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, I do not think this is the best product for you. This did not do much for me apart from reducing redness.
This product worked very well for my sister's PIE. She started noticing some improvement after a month, and in 4 to 5 months, most of her acne marks were gone. But for my PIH, this product did almost nothing.
The only thing this product did for me was to reduce redness and calm my skin a little bit, but I did not see any difference or reduction in my acne marks, and I actually had really high hopes from this product, especially because my skin loves niacinamide. One of my favorite products with niacinamide is this Melaglow Rich Cream. This cream contains 4% niacinamide and 2% arbutin and works very well for my hyperpigmentation. This I have finished almost 2 tubes of this cream, and this is one of my favorite niacinamide creams from the Indian pharmacy. If you're looking for something to reduce your PIH in a very short term, most of the actives and products can take 2 to 3 months to reduce your PIH, but the one thing I have found is the Avent D Pigment Light. This product can help reducing your PIH in a week. Yes, this is true. I mean, I was amazed the first time I used this product. So this is another holy grail product for me. In case you are looking for something that works on very stubborn or old PIH, something that is 6 months or even a year old, then I would suggest you to go with the Paula's Choice AHA gel. But do not try this if you have never tried any actives before. This can be a stronger treatment for people who have never used any acids, so this is not for the beginners, but people who have used acids and or actives in their skincare routine. This is one of the best AHA products I have found so far. If you've tried the popular Glyco 6 and Glyco A creams from Indian Pharmacy, then you might also like this one, because in my experience this one works a little bit faster than both Glyco 6 as well as Glyco A. If you are currently dealing with damaged skin barrier and your skin is very irritated and sensitive right now, and you do not want to use any of the active ingredients in your skincare right now, then I would suggest you to go with the Kiko Masamune Silk High Moist Lotion or the Kumkumadi Tailam. So far I have tried only 2 Kumkumadi Tailams, which is by the Aryaveda Pharmacy and Kottakkal Ayurveda, and both of them have worked not tremendously well, but they have definitely reduced my acne spots. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that you found this video helpful. It would mean a lot to me.